Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Abhishek once again bringing you today a super quick video on two amazing penny stocks to watch out for this week. Now I'm skipping the basic camera intro today because I just wanted to bring these two penny stocks to your notice and to your attention and didn't want you guys to miss on the opportunity like the other penny stocks which we discussed on this channel. And these two penny stocks have huge potential, so I literally just didn't to go on to the camera because it was not charged, and I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys. So that's why I will just quickly go through these two penny stocks without going into details, and which you should be watching this week. And PS, I'm not a financial advisor, and so please enjoy the video. Okay guys, so the first stock which we are going to talk about is Reflect Scientific, goes with the ticker symbol RSCF, which is another OTC stock, now trading at 0.40, which is 14% down today. And why I'm talking about this stock, because so if you can see right here, this is the downward, just a moment. So doodle, yeah. So this is a downward trend. As you can see, we have a 3 point position right here. And if you can see right here in the downward trend, we have a lower support level. And this right here, we can see as a resistance level. And it is actually fluctuating between these two levels. So the stock price is fluctuating between the support and the resistance level. And if from here it can either go down and break this support level and go further to our next support level, which could be around 0.2. But if it doesn't, and if it goes from here, then I will surely open up a position in this company. And if it goes below, then of course I will buy in more, and so on and so on. So this is why I want to bring this stock to your attention, because this stock has a huge upcoming potential. And why? Well, because of the following reasons. So here's the first catalyst, guys, which not have yet been baked into the stock price. So in addition to addressing COVID vaccine shipping and storage requirements, Reflect Scientific's proprietary liquid nitrogen based freezers and continuing to support growing cell and gene therapy market requirements for ultra low temperature processing and storage. So just a basic introduction about Reflect Scientific. I won't go much deeper into the company, but just to explain to you guys that what could be the upcoming catalyst. So they work with actually cryometrics develops or cryogenic solutions. What it actually means that they work with freezing various patented technologies regarding healthcare and biotechnology. So cryometrics develops, so here as you can see, cryogenic shipping solutions for biotech and beyond. This is their main task. This is what they work with. So cryometrics develops and markets innovative proprietary and patented technologies in blast freezing, storage, cooling and thawing for the healthcare, biotechnology and pharmaceutical, medical, industrial and transportation markets. And here they would play a very important role for transporting and freezing and storage of the COVID vaccines. Because as you can see here, most vaccines don't require freezing at all, but both Pfizer and Moderna's vaccines are a new type of vaccine for which the low temperatures are necessary to keep the vaccines from breaking down and becoming useless. So as soon as the transportation of these vaccines would start, I strongly think that such companies would be needed for sure. And that's why I think that this price for RSCF is currently quite undervalued, to be honest. And even if it is not undervalued, we will still see a good spike. And that's why for midterm, I strongly think that this stock could be a really useful stock. But also on the other hand, guys, if you see it right here, this is the moving average, simple moving average, the purple line, if you can follow the cursor. And as you can see right here that of course in the downward trend it is below the moving average, the stock price is below the moving average, but now it is ultimately coming approximately close or really close to the moving average, and at some points it was actually higher than the moving average. This might also indicate that the stock price might see a reversal from here. So what I would personally do is that I will of course open up a position at 40 cents, and I will wait from here to tomorrow. I will wait until tomorrow how the price might react, because we don't have enough evidence to actually decide it will go lower or it will go higher. So we need enough evidence, so that's why I wouldn't open up 100% of my position. Like what I mean is, what I mean from this is that if I want to invest 100 euros in this, I would probably buy for 30 euros or 40 euros, and then I will wait until tomorrow, because of course I won't be losing all my money. It won't go to zero. My just the consequence would be in the negative side, that my average, my buying price would become a bit higher, on the higher side. So tomorrow I will wait that if the price breaks the support point or it moves in the opposite direction, and then I will slowly build up my position. Because honestly, I think that 60 cents is, yeah, of course it can reach 60 cents, but with upcoming stimulus, what we just saw, I think that it might also reach 80 cents easily, or maybe even $1. But let's see. So from here, from 40 cents, I see a rise of 80 cents. Of course, it might go down, but 80 cents for sure. So from, even if we open up a position at this point, we still would have 100% return on our investments. So personally, this would be my opinion. This is how I would play with this stock for now. Okay guys, so the next stock what we are going to talk about is Galaxy Next Generation, trading with the ticker symbol GAXY, is another OTC stock which is trading at $0.0142 and is 52% above the trading price from yesterday. But I still see a huge potential. So this is, according to me, nothing. So I still see a huge potential. So as you can see right here, this is a massive bullish chart. So this is the moving average. So as you can see this cursor right here, and this is a 3-point upward trend what we achieved already. So as you can see right here, this is the new high at above 0.0150, and this is the new support level somewhere right here, and the stock price is fluctuating between this support level and the new resistance level. And as you can see right here, also we have some huge nice green candles right here. So again, from here I strongly think that the price will continue to climb up. So that's why I think that the price will continue to rise up. And as you can also see that the stock price is above the moving average, which also shows a bullish chart. But as you can see right here that there are a few big green spikes due to which the stock price actually climbed. So as you can see these big green candles right here, so these were the moments when the stock price actually spiked because of massive buying. And then as you can see there is a big red candle, a reversal candle. This is because as you can see right here there is a big spike in the volume, so that means it was a big sell-off. But still, as you can see, the stock has handled itself quite nicely. Though this big red candle, it should, the stock price is fluctuating between the open and the close point of the candle, this also actually indicates that the price of the stock might fall. But like I said, some indicators are actually strongly suggesting, especially the bullish chart and the moving average, are suggesting that the price of the stock might go in the upward direction. But like I said guys, this evidence is not that sufficient because we don't have a downward trend yet. And yeah, we can see that the price might break the support level, but also we will see tomorrow. So I have personally bought into this stock when the market opened, and after a few minutes I bought into this particular company at around 0.0108, somewhere right here in between these levels. So I don't think that it will fall to this level. But yeah, anyways, anything can happen. If there is a massive sell-off, then it can happen. But I personally think that there is a massive growing opportunity. So as you can see, then we have here, as you can see, we have a massive red candle right now. So this is indicating a reversal trend. And yeah, we have to see if it breaks the support level, and if it breaks, then of course we will see a downward trend for sure. So like I said, yeah, we have to see a trend to check how the stock moves. And I will wait for tomorrow. Personally, I will wait for tomorrow, and if there is a massive dip, I would personally buy in more into this stock. And that's why I wanted to bring this stock up to your attention, and why I think that the stock price in especially next year can jump really to next level is because, so Galaxy Next Generation actually is a company which provides technology to the classroom of today for next generation of tomorrow. That means they are providing online classes. And why I'm pretty confident about this company, especially for the next year, is because the company themselves are mostly looking forward and planning for an incredible year in 2021. Truthfully, I'm not quite done putting on our stamp on 2020, and this is because their revenue and their earnings report were quite amazing. And that's one of the reasons why I'm pretty confident in this company, especially in the quarter one of 2021 or even quarter two 2021. And this is the other reason why I think that this company could go a bit higher than where it is actually right now. So predictions before the 2020 pandemic expected the online industry to be worth 325 billion by 2025. Now that number is likely on the higher side as the mass shift to online earning begins. Now, with this kind of money in the industry comes investments into all kinds of innovative platforms for creating and selling online courses. And that's where we could have a significant market opportunity for Gaxi. So guys, just to wrap up the video, so all in all, I think both of these stocks have not moved according to my expectations so far, and therefore I see a huge potential in both of them. And I personally have already opened up a position, like I already explained, in both of them, and I will increase my position in case the price drops further. And I really apologize for the quality of this video, that I am not facing the camera and it was quite messy, but I really just wanted to bring up these two stocks quickly up to your attention, and so that you can take an advantage of the stock price and you can at least bring it to your watch list or add them to your watch list so that you can actually just keep an eye on them. Now this is, guys, not a financial advice. I'm not asking you to buy or sell anything. This is just let's say helpful advice to bring these stocks to your attention so that you can do your own due diligence and not just miss up on an opportunity which might be really helpful. So that's all, guys. That's all I wanted to say. And with that, I will end this video. Thank you and have a nice evening and a nice week ahead.